Now, synchronous generator at no load means P this be equal to 0. What about P? P this be equal to VIA cos theta. P means electrical output power, that is electrical output power in per phase electrical output power of synchronous generator in per phase. Clear? I have already discussed. Okay, now P this be equal to 0 means, or you can say that either IA 0 or cos theta this be equal to 0, but we are interested corresponding to this one, that is ZPF. Okay, we are interested in cos theta. Okay, if cos theta this be equal to 0, that it means ZPF, 0 power factor. Now first one, under excitation. We have discussed under excitation condition and over excitation. Now under excited synchronous generator at no load. Okay, P this be equal to 0. Under excited synchronous generator, under excited means ZPF leading. Okay, what about cos theta? Cos theta this be equal to 0 and theta this be equal to 90 degree means IA lead. You can say that IA lead V by how much angle? 90 degree. Clear? IA lead corresponding to V by how much angle? 90 degree. And you know that E this be equal to V plus J IA into S. So how to make it? IA lead V by how much angle? 90 degree. It means this one is a V. V this be equal to V at the angle 0. What about IA? If you want to make IA, then IA like this one, 90 degree lead. So if you want to make corresponding this one, if this one is IA, then what about JIA? 90 degree anticlockwise. If this one is IA, then what about JIA? Like this one, that is JIA. So if you want to make, this is V this be equal to V at the angle 0, then what about JIA? Direction of JIA like this one. And if multiply X, then this is called voltage drop corresponding to reactance. Clear? V plus J IA into S is called E. So E represent here. Okay, and what about IA? IA represent here, that is 90 degree lead. Okay, now in case of magnitude wise, in magnitude E is written as V minus IA into S. Okay, this value are equal to this minus this. Okay, so what about IA? IA is written as E divided by S plus V divided by, okay, if E increases, then what about IA? IA decreases. So you can say that E increases, IA decreases linearly. Okay, now if you want to make that is IA, and that is excitation E, or you can say that field excitation IF, and this one is E naught, or you can say that F naught. Okay, in this region E increases. What about IA? Decreases linearly. It means make like this one. Okay, that is ZPF leading, and that is, it is called under excitation. This region is called under excitation. Clear? In this region E increases. What about IA? Decreases linearly. So that's why I make like this one. Clear? Now first of all, make it. Application. This one is a load. This one is synchronous generator. And V this be equal to V at the angle 0. What about IA? Corresponding to this, IA at the angle minus plus 90. It's behave, sorry, IA lead. Okay, IA lead, that's IA lead V by how much angle? 90. That's why I represent here. It's behave as a capacitor. Why? What about power factor? Power factor C by this one is 0, ZPF. Leading. Okay, now what about Q? If you want to return Q is negative V into IA. If any doubt, then return X is this be equal to V into IA conjugate, and V this be equal to V at the angle 0, and IA at the angle that is minus 90. Okay, I have conjugate of this one, that is plus. So first of all, this one is plus, and conjugate of this one is minus. Okay, got minus, then that is JV into IA. So what about Q? Q is negative. That is negative. Clear? Now power factor C by generator. Power factor C by generator. You can say the power generator is supply pure capacitive load. Okay, generator supply pure capacitive load. You can say that written as generator supply pure capacitive load. Clear? Q is negative, means direction of Q like this one, that is Q is, if you represent here direction of Q, that is Q is positive, means generator supply pure capacitive load. Clear? Generator supply pure capacitive load, or you can say that another word, under excited synchronous generator consume VAR at leading power factor, or you can say ZPF, at ZPF better, ZPF leading. Clear what I am saying? Power from load to generators. That's why you can say that under excited synchronous generator at no load is power consume, this one power consume at ZPF leading. Clear? or you can say that another word, generator supply pure capacitive load. Generator supply pure capacitive load corresponding to, both are same thing, both are same thing. Okay, now next one, over excited synchronous generator. First of all, make it. It's behave as a capacitor, so you can also make why behave as a capacitor, because of in pure capacitor also I lead V by how much angle? Plus 90 degree. That's why it's behave as a capacitor. Okay, now next one, P is 0. Here P is 0 and Q is flow from load to generator. Clear? So next one, overexcited. Next one, overexcited synchronous generator. In case of overexcited synchronous generator at no load, overexcited means that is lagging power factor, ZPF lagging. Clear? Now E is equal to V plus JIA into S. Now clear? How to make? Cos theta this equal to 90 degree. IA lags V by how much angle? 90 degree. So if this one is V, then what about I? Like this one. Okay. Now how to make? This one is IA. What about JIA? If this one is IA, then what about JIA? If you want to JIA, then it's make here 9 plus 90 degree, that is 90 degree anti-clockwise, rotation of IA represent like this one. Then if you want to, this one is IA and this one is a V this is equal to V at the angle 0. Voltage drop corresponding to reactance represent here JIA into X. So this one represent E. Clear? This one represent E. In magnitude wise, E this equal to V plus IA into S. So what about IA? IA is written as E by S plus V by S. If E increases, then what about IA? IA also increases linearly. E increases, IA increases linearly. Okay. Make like this one. That is ZPF lagging. Okay. E increases. What about IA? IA also increases. That is overexcitation. Clear? Now we are focused on application. First of all, make it. Clear? Now make. That is generator, and this one is a load represent here. What about IA? In this case, IA this equal to minus 90. That is V this equal to V at the angle 0. it's behave as a inductor. It's behave as a inductor. Power factor cos theta, this is equal to 0. ZPF lagging. Okay, ZPF lagging. V this be equal to V at the angle 0, and IA this be equal to IA at the angle minus 90. It's behave as a, this load behave as a inductor. Okay, why? In inductor also, pure inductor also, current lead by how much angle? 90 degree with B. Okay, so if you want to make like this one, clear? Now what about S? If any doubt, then make corresponding this one. V at the angle 0, IA conjugate of IA, that is IA at the angle plus 90, conjugate of this one, that is plus 90. That's why written as VIA JVIA. So Q this be equal to V into IA, means that is positive. Positive means direction of Q like this one, that is VR. Okay, so you can say that generator is a supply pure inductive load. You can say that generator supply pure inductive load, Okay, generator supply like this one, pure inductive load, or you can say that another word, are overexcited generator supply as VAR at lagging power factor. Supply overexcited synchronous generator supply as VAR at lagging power factor. Clear what I am saying? Make it. After that we have discussed. It is clear? Now synchronous generator, power factor control of synchronous generator and synchronous motor are completed here. Okay, now we have focus on after that numericals and some conceptual problems, because of it's very important topic of the synchronous machine. Okay, 80% syllabus, or you can say that 80% question are cover this topic. That's why very important for not theory, it is also important for objective question and subjective question also. Okay, so most of the question I have done here. Okay, after that this lecture, so make it.